Yo guys, what's up? I have this Beyond Meat option expiring today. I Earnings just came out and they didn't meet expectations exactly. So, got to roll this out for a little bit longer. Probably going to try to go out another couple weeks. Let's try a couple weeks. And then we'll try a month, but this actually is pretty decent. Try a month. Let's see how much premium we can extract. Oh, it doesn't want to roll. What about 130? It's a nice even number, and it reduces my risk. And I still get a very good premium. So I'm very happy with that number, $3. Although it might be hard to execute at that level. So let's just try that. Alright, and it's filled. Alright, good deal. Alright guys, that's how you do it. A little diagonal, take some money off the table, and make some cash. Alright guys, thanks for watching.